channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. So today's Saturday, so for today's video I thought I would do a little clean with me today. I'm gonna clean my bathroom. I'm just gonna clean the sink and the toilet because I cleaned the tub out last night because we have our nieces and nephews, so it was quite disgusting. So today I'm gonna clean my sink and my bathroom, my toilet, and then we're gonna move into the kitchen and I'm gonna wash some dishes. So yeah, let's get right into this video. So then we're just gonna use our little handy dandy cleanup rag here. And this video will probably be sped up, so yeah. And let's get into it. My mother has this on her toilet because she's short. So, and this toilet is so low. My mother's house is just so old. It's been built for some years. But this is like a seat lifter because this toilet is so low. So I'm gonna clean this. So I'm done with the bathroom. Like I said, it's an old bathroom. It's very small. Wasn't much to do. I just cleaned the sink and the toilet, and I swept and I mopped. So yeah, now we're gonna move on to the kitchen. Before I start cleaning my dishes, I like to first of all, I'm gonna wash my hands. but I like to clean the sink out. So I'm basically done cleaning. I'm not moving all of that stuff. This is my mother's stuff. She has that all situated. So I'm just trying to like pick. Guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, like the video, comment down below if you enjoy clean with me videos, and I'll start posting more. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.